Um, how does it feel? I think it feels like Second Life. Um, it feels like it runs differently to different games or to different things actually, and you get a point of view from here, but it's very VR like. Um, but you can see like everything from what you're seeing, like the 3D objects and things. To move from one world to another, or to upload objects to see if you can upload them and then see them function actually. So if you upload an object and it goes up the sky, and you can use another tool that would measure the difference, or you can see the relationships between those things. Like this would require coding for these codes to behave. Like now they can see like I'm very zoomed out, and from here you get the rest of the view of this model is like you're viewing a 3D model with the camera that you have. That you have like you can even view the camera from this angle, which is very interesting. But you can't fly like Second Life would, right? But you can see that you can't go into any buildings yet, I think. Uh, it doesn't feel like real life at all. You can never replace real life with 3D. It is all. I think the closest to real life would be the VR chat from those experiences, but you also need other people to create the experience for you. See the array of sounds or things that move. Look at that. So some shiny object is there, but also you can have a look at what this is. So you can imagine if you can read a book here, if you can flip the script, you can be in this world. I'm just trying to navigate the controls within this. This is like some code function that I don't understand at all. So you can ask ChatGPT some questions. So imagine if you can run ChatGPT on this program, like on StarCell, and you could import, export, and you can work on a project here and press another button and access your desktop on another end. But this is not built for that. This is more like a simulator, right? So you can see the globe. Can it be interactive? It's quite interactive. Like you can use the mouse to spin. You can actually spin the entire thing to your liking, actually, which is kind of nice. So you can see what code can do. And settings. That should show the 3D part of the character, I think. There's a lag or what? Oh, so here we are. I wish I had more camera control onto this. Like, yeah, if there was more camera control. It feels more like a platform. It doesn't feel like GTA at all. Like GTA feels so different to this. Like the game mechanics and the movements and everything is just so different. Like it's a very different interaction. The physics in the game are very different. The physics of control and I don't know the control of how you can control the thing. So it's very different. What I like is to access a book in the game or access directions and access a book. You click the book and it opens a book, but the book can be very interactive. It could play audio sounds. It could teleport you, or you could upload other animation examples to the game, and I think that would be a really good game when it can do more and you press it and it has actual function in 3D, how you can see the 3D objects interact with each other by press. and you can see when you want to have access to that knowledge, information, or personal knowledge, and you know what I mean. Really exploring this 3D. It's like you're viewing a 3D object with a click, and you're able to see them in different, to view them and feel like you're viewing them in different spaces. You can see how, okay, every time I move there, does that mean that it follows like it's on a map sort of thing? So imagine that you continuously work on 3D models and you upload them, but the function is telling the computer program to do that, or you will see the function. And right. So that's that for you. Interesting.